Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove fuel line quick disconnects safely and effectively. Before beginning, always prioritize safety. Ensure your engine is completely cool and the vehicle is turned off. It is crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from fuel exposure. Work in a well-ventilated space to prevent inhaling harmful fumes, and always keep a fire extinguisher within easy reach. These initial steps are vital for a secure and successful process. Now, let's gather our essential tools and prepare the system. You will need a specific fuel line disconnect tool set, which often includes various sizes, and a clean drain pan. First, locate and remove the fuel pump fuse or relay to stop fuel flow. Then, briefly start the engine to relieve any remaining fuel pressure in the lines, turning it off immediately. Position your drain pan directly under the connection point to manage any fuel leakage. With safety measures in place and tools ready, we can proceed to disconnect the fuel line. Quick disconnect fittings come in several designs, so identify your specific type. For collar-style connectors, slide the correct disconnect tool over the fuel line and push it firmly into the fitting's collar. If using a scissor-style tool, position it around the line and squeeze the handles. While applying the tool, gently pull the fuel line straight away from the component to separate it. After completing your work, it is time to reconnect the fuel line and perform crucial checks. Before reassembly, carefully inspect the O-rings and the fitting for any signs of damage or trapped debris. Applying a small amount of clean engine oil to the O-rings can help ensure a smooth connection. Push the fuel line firmly onto the component until you hear or feel a distinct click, indicating it is fully seated. Finally, reinstall the fuel pump fuse and cycle the ignition several times to pressurize the system, thoroughly checking for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.